Here's how you can send the happy birthday message on WhatsApp and have it set automatically on your iPhone. Let me show you how it works. If you are new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So at first, make sure you have your WhatsApp ready and all of those things, but we actually need to move over to the Shortcuts app, which should be part of your iPhone. It is like Apple's official app. It should be pre-installed, so get it there. And you want to start a new shortcut. So you're going to click on the plus button and set up the features. So from the actions, you want to look up WhatsApp, and there is the action which is called send message via WhatsApp, and then you can set it up further, right? So in here you pick the recipient, so you choose like any of the contacts which you have on your iPhone, but they of course should be using WhatsApp for that. But then to set up the text, we need to add another action, which is going to be the text itself. It's pretty simple. There you're going to type in the actual message, right? So that's kind of how you can set it up. I would actually put it like above it in this like chronological order, and this just makes sure that I can then run the shortcut and will actually, send that text, that message. But in order to automate it, we don't need to just set up the shortcut, but we also have to set up the automation within the Shortcuts app. So on the main page, at the bottom, you have the automation section. You can start a new one and choose, I don't know, the time of day, or, you can set up whenever you want it to happen, right? And as the action, you're going to choose the shortcut to be, the send message over WhatsApp. And this basically makes sure that at that selected time, the automatic message will be sent over WhatsApp. I believe that you will have to confirm it once, but, it still automates everything. It still gets it running on its own. So I consider this to be a pretty useful feature. So let me know what you think below. Subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.